The cats are like, nah, blood. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ratchet, but Amy, who's it gonna be? I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing good. Tomorrow I release a new song. Song called Flora and Fauna. But it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Psych, it's not. But I do got a gift for you today. Today I got a video, 5 scary ghost videos, leaving viewers creeped out. And to make sure my mic's on. And it's from Mind Junkie. So without further ado, guys, let's get it.
It's the middle of the night, and social media user Erin is jolted awake by a loud noise. It sounds like something coming from the bathroom downstairs, so Erin gets out of bed and goes to investigate. Before she leaves the safety of her bedroom, she grabs her phone just in case.
I need help. I took this video at like 2:30 this morning, and I don't know what to do.
Yep. No.
Oh god, something's in the bathroom.
Bro, it's got shivers. I haven't seen
in the bathroom.
I haven't seen a ghost video in so long. The cat's like, what's up?
So now it's almost 8 a.m. I'm not positive, but I have to imagine whatever it was is still in there. 1, what the heck could it be? 2, what do I do? Because I am not opening that door.
Terrified of what might be lurking inside, she doesn't dare open the door. But it's 2:30 a.m. and Erin is home alone. There's nothing she can do except wait until morning. After posting the video on her social media, one clever viewer suggests that Erin should try to look through the bathroom window outside.
Alright, I think whatever was in there is probably still in there, so I'm gonna see if I can figure it out from the outside. There's a window down there. And that window hopefully has the shade up.
It's daylight. And usually daylight things don't happen. Daylight savings and that. You get me? It's those witching hours that you gotta watch out for.
The shade is down. Why is
if that shade moves?
I need the shade to be up.
Unfortunately, the shade is down in the bathroom, preventing Erin from seeing inside. However, something happened in this clip that Erin accidentally recorded, but didn't notice at the time. After she says she hopes the bathroom shade is up, viewers claim to hear a mysterious voice whispering, "No, it's not."
And that window hopefully has the shade up.
This has led several viewers to speculate that whatever is in the bathroom could be paranormal. At this point though, Erin is convinced that it's just a trapped animal, but she's too scared to open the door by herself, so she calls her brother-in-law for help.
Alright, well, not quite the update I was expecting to give, but the bathroom was empty. So we couldn't get the camera under the door. We then just like set up a bunch of barricades to open the door and basically route whatever it was down the hall, and had the door into the garage open and then the garage door open, thinking we could like scurry it along. And my brother-in-law went in. He had like all the protective gear on, and yeah, he couldn't find anything. Looked under the sink, looked in the toilet, looked behind the washer and dryer. There were really no signs of like disturbance. I couldn't find claw marks anywhere on the bottom of the door. So at this point, the best guess is it was either in the heat vent, which is in the ceiling, which is up near the door, so kind of like where the sound was coming from,
You done let it
or
out.
possibly in the ceiling or the wall. And all you people who think I need to like call someone to deal with paranormal, I'm just gonna like, that's not, I don't think that's happening. I think it's an animal. I think it's some kind of critter. It just unfortunately is going to be an unsolved mystery for now.
Erin and her brother-in-law find nothing in the bedroom, no trapped animal, and not even claw marks on the door or the walls. Erin insists that it must have been in the air vent, but some viewers say
If it was
she
my
is
ghost,
just too scared to accept that there
would
could
definitely
have
have been
been
an animal.
something sinister inside
what
the
I am now.
bathroom that night. But what's your verdict? Did something paranormal get into Erin's home, or was it just an animal after all? Let me know down below. This next video is
Nelito
from a live
Perennetti.
recording of a football match back in 2014 that recently kicked up a debate online. The match took place in Argentina between the Racing and River Plate football teams. Although things seemed normal at the time, eagle-eyed viewers spotted something strange in the recording. A translucent figure can be seen running through the crowd, but the creepiest thing is, no one sees it. It was only when the recording was uploaded to the
Man had
internet
to run to
that
the
people
toilet. I
started
mean, nobody
to
takes
notice
notice
the
of him.
mysterious figure running through the crowd. And as always, the jury is out on just what exactly this is. Viewers say the figure appears too human-like to be a simple camera glitch, but the fact that it seems to run through the bodies of several people suggests that there is something otherworldly about the figure.
My house is haunted. No, my house is not haunted.
Alex from France claims that her house is haunted. Alex says she's seen objects moving around on their own and
There's something about a redhead goth that just fiery.
heard strange, unexplained noises from parts of the house that she thought were
I
empty.
told my girlfriend
She
that
begins
too.
to feel scared for her son's safety,
Honestly.
but says that no one believes
said she
that her
gets it.
house is haunted. So she starts recording the activity and uploading the footage to her social media. One night, Alex is home alone, watching a movie, when suddenly this happens.
No one's home. Go. Futsek, you winner. Check. I don't know where it's coming from. The drawer opened in front of her oortjies. Nee, bro. No. Au revoir. I'm dapping. The cats are like, nah, blood. I would have swung. I would have swung my arms. My hands were just in my pockets.
Objects start moving all on their own, and the bedroom door even slams shut. Alex gets up to investigate, and that's when the scariest thing happens. What sounds like footsteps running towards her can be heard, but as Alex looks around, there's nothing there. Alex is left feeling spooked, but the creepy activity doesn't end there. A few nights later, she's home alone again and records this.
Okay, calm down. I was about to fall asleep and I suddenly heard the piano from downstairs. Let the piano play, Mr. Piano Man. I'm good. Nah, bro. No. Just go straight back to bed. And there's another set of stairs, and we're definitely not going into the flippin' pits of darkness. The cat's like, if I don't look, It's not dead. The piano stopped, but the activity will start. I would be pissed off. You see now that? That's some bullshit. Kick it! Just kick it.
In the middle of the night, Alex hears a piano playing downstairs. She goes to check it out, and that's when she hears what sounds like her son calling for her. Things get worse as soon as she enters the room with the piano inside. Books fly off their shelves, and a chair rocks all on its own. The experience has left her terrified, and she's convinced that she's being haunted by something evil. Many of her viewers agree with her, suggesting that it could be a demon, and urged her to move out as soon as she can. But what do you think? Drop a comment and let me know. Do you have a creepy clip to share? Send your scary footage to our email address, contactmindjunkie@gmail.com, and we might feature it on the channel.
Is this a spirit?
In January 2019, a terrible road collision took place on a highway near Sha Tin in Hong Kong. Emergency services were quick to arrive at the scene, but tragically, there was nothing they could do for the driver. Several shocked bystanders gathered around the crash, and one of them caught something on camera that left him spooked.
Bro, what the
Something
flip?
white appears to rise up into the air from inside the crashed vehicle. The emergency workers don't
Ghost
seem
called
to notice
audible.
it, but the person recording thinks it could be something paranormal. And when he uploaded the clip to his social media account, he said it was, quote, a spirit. Could this be the spirit of the driver who tragically passed away in the crash? Or do you have another explanation? Let me know.
Behind the curtain.
These next two clips were uploaded to social media by Arissa Kelly. Arissa is a record-holding archer and usually posts archery-related content to her account.
That's
but
wild.
one night, she's alone in the studio she trains in when something happens that really freaks her out. After posting the following footage, Arissa's viewers all asked the same question. Is the building haunted? See for yourself.
Last night, I caught on camera one of the creepiest experiences whilst I was training, and it happened over there. To preface this, it was about 11 p.m. at night. I was on my own and I was filming a crossbow video, so I had set all the doors and alarms to let me know if anyone entered, because I needed to make sure that no one would accidentally walk in front of the target. But this is when it gets creepy. I'm just trying to get my angle for the video. But then I think I hear footsteps further down the building. Just watch my reaction.
Standing with a crossbow in your hand, bro.
It really sounded like there
Someone's
was someone
finna get
walking
got.
through the building. And I got this like cold chill over my body. By this point, I'm thinking to myself, okay, maybe I'm just hearing weird noises. Let's continue filming this video. But this is when things get super, super creepy. Just keep an eye on the curtain in the corner. Right, that's one.
Fuck that.
Is it me or does it look like someone's pulling that back?
Yeah.
And the crazy thing is I had no idea until I sat down and edited this video in the studio on my own, and I freaked out. I finally plucked up the courage to see if there was anyone in the back, and the curtain was back to normal. There was definitely no one else in this building. And I know what you're thinking, was it just a breeze? But if you go back to the very beginning of the video, how are no other curtains throughout this whole thing moving? I also have a balloon on my target, so if there was any type of breeze, How would that not be moving? Anyway, I was completely freaked out, but I want to know what you guys think.
Arissa says she can hear footsteps,
Could also be
even
that the
though the
curtain was
building
maybe
is
hooked
supposed to
somewhere
be
and
empty. Then, without her noticing
fell?
at the time, one of the curtains behind Arissa moves, almost like someone or something is pulling it. Arissa is so creeped out that she doesn't go back to the studio for a few days. When she finally feels brave enough to return, she meets the building's technical director, and what he tells her is truly creepy.
And I decided I wanted to get a fresh perspective, so I spoke to Randy. And he also has a creepy story to tell. Randy is our technical director for the building, and he's also fixed a lot of the areas of the building. And have you ever had any weird experiences here?
No, but a friend of mine did. There was a balloon that somebody had drawn a face on. He was here by himself at night. Balloon was up on stage. And then he thought that was kind of strange, and then he ignored it for a while. Then the balloon showed up right here in front of his face.
Ooh, that would have creeped me out so
And she's
much.
shooting
To
balloons.
the booth where he was. Yeah, he freaked out.
I decided to get Randy's opinion on my video, especially because he hung these curtains.
That shocked me.
Yeah.
I hung these black curtains.
The fact that it blew that way up, because there's no vents, is there?
Right, there's no vents back here, and it was pulled that direction, and then it didn't swing back. See, if it does move, it's going to fall back.
Yes! I mean, the thing is that they're see-through, so if someone was here behind it, you
I
would
still
have
think
seen...
I was caught
Can
somebody.
you stand behind that curtain so I can just see? You see, like, I would have been able to see if there was someone behind that curtain.
So, Arissa isn't the only one who has experienced something spooky in the building, but does that mean it's haunted? As viewers questioned, let me know what you think.
So guys, that was Mind Junkie. 5 scary ghost videos leaving viewers creeped out. They were crazy. Footsteps up the stairs though. That is right on top there with my Japanese or Asian ghost videos that I truly despise. Truly despise. Did I stop this video a little bit too early? I did. Dickhead. Bonus content.
Paranormal investigation channel Panic Attack Productions uploaded
Panic
the
Attack.
final video in this week's Ghost compilation. The video was recorded after someone contacted Trevor, an investigator from the team, claiming that their house is possessed by a demon.
Dude, why does man's arms as long as his legs?
Hey. What? I just heard something in the back room again, behind us where we just left.
That room?
Yes.
In here?
Yes.
Maybe it's playing games with us. So are you playing with us? Or is there more than one demonic spirit here?
You want to ask a few questions here? And then
Yeah, let's...
Why does it seem like
what
this
I'm
guy's
gonna
about
do
to
is
hit in
I'm
the
gonna
chest
ask yes
straight
and no
up?
questions, okay? You'll light it up once for no and twice for yes. Is there a spirit in this room with us right now? Did you see it?
No.
It blinked twice for yes. I said, is there a spirit here? It blinked twice for yes. Okay. All right. Are you a good spirit? Oh, God! Are you kidding me? It just yanked that out of my hand.
But what's your verdict? Is this house really possessed by a demon? You tell me.
Anyway, so now that was Mind Junkie. 5 scary ghost videos leaving people creeped out. So guys, what do you think? That last one, I never know. But anyway, it's your boy Rapture. If it ain't me, who's it gonna be? You so right, young clip. Guys, go out there, chase greatness, spread love, peace, and positivity. And I hope you guys have a great day and a great evening. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.